We have studied already quantum numbers. First is your principal quantum number denoted by n, azimuthal quantum number or angular quantum number L, magnetic quantum number m, and spin quantum number s. K main shell number 1 has one subshell and one orbital. We have studied already values of L. Those values are from 0 to n minus 1. So if it is 1, values will be 0 and no other values are there. 2 then 0 1, 3 then 0 1 2. 0 s, 1 p, 2 is d. 0 means s orbital, s subshell. This s subshell has how many orbitals? 1. P subshell, how many orbitals? 1 2 3. This can be said as p orbital, and these are px, py, and pz. Like d orbitals are represented as dxy and so on up to dx square minus y square. So see here, question is there, p cannot be there in K shell. Why p cannot be there in K shell? Because value of L is only 0. Here p is there, but there is no p. D cannot be there for L shell, because for D we need value 2 for L, and there is no value of 2 for L. So p orbitals start from second shell. D orbitals start from third shell. So if I have p, that p, if it is from second shell or third shell, that p has 3 orbitals, minus 1 0 plus 1. This p again values are minus 1 0 plus 1. This p for 2, this is 2p, this is 3p. Like this is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, and 3d. Means p can be your 3p or this p can be your 2p. We can come to know very easily from which main shell that p is there. Suppose if I write 2p, first one, this tells value of n and this tells value of L. If it is p, then value is 1, C1. N is 2, means 1, this p, but this is of 2. If I write 3p, value is 1, 1 is there, but this is of third main shell. So main thing is p has 3 orbitals, minus 1 0 plus 1, and d has 5, minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 and plus 2. See here, p has 3 values, minus 1 0 plus 1. This can be 2p, 3p, 4p, but this cannot be 1p. We have discussed already. This d can be there, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, 7d. D has 5 orbitals, 1 2 3 4 5, and we know that dxy, yz, dz square, dxz, and dx square minus y square. Like these values are there. Now if I have electronic configuration, and electronic configuration of atomic number 9, and atomic number of 9, that is of fluorine. So we will write like this: 9 electrons are here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and the 9. First these orbitals will be half filled, then we will make it fully filled. See again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. Upside value is plus half, means clockwise. If electron is down, value is minus half, means anti-clockwise. See each electron, each and every electron has 4 values. That is for N, L, M and S. These 4 values are called set of quantum number. Like suppose I have to find value of this set for the electron which is in the orange color, this one. So see, this electron, first of all, this electron is coming in what main shell? This is coming in main shell, that is your second. So N is equal to 2. L, if it is coming in P, this is coming in P. So see here, for P, what's the value of L? 1. Either it is of second or third. Value of L is 1. So L is 1. M, we have studied already. These are some values here. -1, 0 and +1. So this is coming in the mid. So value of M. These are value of M. These are values of M. If it is coming in this orbital, value of M will be -1. If it is coming here, then 0. If it is coming here, then +1. If it is coming here, then value of M is +2 and so on. So this orange color electron, this is coming, this is your -1, 0, +1. So value of M is 0 and this is upside down. Upside down means anti-clockwise. So value of S is -half. Same if I have to find the value, 4 values of this electron. So again, N is equal to 2. I'm finding for this one. L is equal to 1. Because see, this is 2p. This tells the value of N and this tells the value of L. So L is equal to 1. M, this is coming in the mid. So this is your 0, -1, 0, +1. And S upside, then plus half. Set of quantum numbers. So each and every electron has unique set of quantum numbers. See, 3 values can be same, but the 4th value will be different. So each and every electron has different set of quantum numbers. Maybe 3 values same, but 4th can be different. So if I have to find the value, all 4 values for this electron. So see, N is equal to 2 because it is coming in the second shell. L, this tells the value of L. So we know that S0, P1 and we have D, that is 2, F, that is 3. So see, L is equal to 0. Value of M, so S is there and see here, for S, value of M is 0. See, 0, 0, 0. That is 0. And upside down means -half. So these are the values. N is -2, L 0, M 0 and S -half. So many questions we will do related to these quantum numbers. Thanks very much.